Ready to craft anti-aging cream with your own hands? Come, let's reveal the secret ingredients. Here comes the first one, bee wax. This will form a protective shield on your skin, keeping moisture locked in and enhancing that youthful glow. Shea butter will reduce the fine lines and helps repair the damaged skin cells. Coconut oil has antimicrobial properties, so it will prevent infections that accelerate aging. Next on our list is vitamin E oil, well known for preventing premature aging. Going on to the next one. Any guesses? Don't worry, I will tell you. It's avocado oil. This oil has the ability to deeply moisturize and assist in improving the skin texture. It also aids in reducing dryness in the skin. Here comes, after this, the star of the show. It's lavender essential oil. Its calming properties lead to stress reduction, which is linked to improved skin health. Next essential oil is of frankincense. It plays a very important role in minimizing wrinkles and fine lines. Plus, it contributes towards enhancing the overall skin tone. With this, we have collected the treasures of nature that hold the key to preserve the fountain of youth. Now allow me to show you how to make the anti-aging cream with these ingredients. In a small glass bowl, add 1 tablespoon of bee wax, 1 tablespoon of shea butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, of avocado oil. Friends, you can find the buying links of all related ingredients which I have used in this video in the description. We will now move to the heating part to melt these items. For this, take any convenient glass bowl and pour boiling hot water into it. Place the container with the ingredients in it and enjoy the visible dance of elements as it bathes in the water of warmth. Put a lid on it, give it a little mix. Please note the bee wax chunks are hardest to melt, so you can apply some pressure with your fingers to it. See, all the ingredients has melted in harmony. It's the time to add 3 drops of frankincense essential oil, then 3 drops of lavender essential oil, and at the last but not least, 5 drops of vitamin E oil. Give it a good mix. Wow, our concoction is looking like a liquid gold. Use a glass container with an airtight lid to transfer the blend. There you have it. Ancient ritual complete. You can feel the energy of timeless beauty in this blend. Would recommend you to use this anti-aging cream every night for 3 weeks and see your transformed skin by yourself. With this, I am concluding our today's journey. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time. Until we meet again, keep using organic and stay radiant.